In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in HubSpot in 5 minutes or less. So whether you're just getting started with HubSpot or you're looking to streamline your sales processes, this guide will lead you step by step through the process, making it easy, quick, and efficient. To begin, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Then navigate to your trial guide, which can be found in the Sales Hub Professional section. Once you're there, you'll find an option labeled CRM within the guide. Click on that to continue. Next, you'll be directed to a section with multiple options. Here, you'll need to click on Companies. This is where you'll find and organize all the companies you're prospecting or doing business with. It's the hub for all related activities and contact records, so make sure this is your go-to stop for accessing company-specific information. Once you're in the Companies section, click on HubSpot. This action will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard. It's a central point from which you can navigate to various features and tools within the HubSpot system, helping manage your interactions with current and potential customers more effectively. Next, look for the Quotes section, which will be showing currently with a 0 in parentheses, indicating no quotes have been created yet. Click there to move forward to the quote creation area. Quotes in HubSpot are a quick way to detail the products or services you offer, along with their corresponding prices, and to send them to your prospects or customers for approval. After clicking Quotes, you'll see a button labeled Plus Add. Hit that button, and this is where you'll begin crafting your quote. Here you'll fill in all necessary details to generate a compelling and clear quote. Consider including a descriptive title, a valid expiration date, and any important terms and conditions. Take your time in this section. The clarity of this quote could seal or break a deal. Once you've completed all your entries, review everything carefully. This is vital to ensure all information is accurate before you send it out. Correct pricing, clear item descriptions, and valid terms are just some of the elements to double-check in this phase. Once satisfied, confirmation of successful quote generation can propel your sales efforts significantly in the right direction, as well as your engagement with your client or prospect. That's all it takes. With these steps, you'll have a professional quote ready in no time, allowing you to move forward with your sales process confidently. Remember, keeping your quotes clear and professional is key to maintaining a good relationship with your clients and closing deals efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using HubSpot effectively.